welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome to Zenome Technologies.
Zenome Technologies.
Yes.
How are you?
This is Ram. Our director, Ram. Mr. Ram, the director of Zenome Technologies. Hajjat, we welcome you here.
Thank you.
We've seen you do great works. We believe you'll be so much of help to us. What Zenome does, Zenome Technologies produces or manufactures bulbs in general lights. That includes everything, bulbs, street lights, anything to do with lighting. So we would want to be part of Kampala in terms of development of lighting itself. We are here to improve on our country by manufacturing everything from here, from ground. Everything is going to be boo-boo, like manufactured from ground. Our investors have put in a lot to get to the level what you have seen, of which what you have seen down there in the factory is just 10%. We are going to manufacture over 48 different types of bulbs. That's just 10%. So that means we have like 90% to go. And this involves employing our fellow Ugandans. We're strictly looking at the youth because this kind of work involves a lot of hands-on energy. And we also plan on doing training for the youth, like my director has told you earlier. So I will allow him to give you more details about how we got here and what our visions and plans for Uganda as a country as well. Yeah.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. So my name is Rambabu Vasanta. I'm one of the directors of Zenome Technologies Limited. So as a Genome, we are there in African market since 10 years. Actually, before we do import from China and India and other countries. So as we know, the technologies every day is increasing. So we are actually we have some setup in Rwanda, Burundi, other countries, other countries. So now actually I'm here since 10 years. So I know the capability of Uganda and how they are good people. So we have some chances to do the business. So we, my partners, we call them to start the investing more, and we have the plan to do the things. So last year we started the manufacturing company here. So from there we have engaged our UIA and URA to bring the missionaries and these things. So since 10 years we are there, as we want to start as a manufacturing company here locally, and we want to do here and as well as export the all African region with the help of
government.
Exactly, with the help of the government and with the youth people. As I told you, we are already in the market to supply the material, like the quality wise and competitive price, and which is the latest technology, and with the good quality products and after sales service. If you can see in Uganda, according to the 2021, we are importing the materials of electronics and electrical materials more than 70,000 consignment every year, which is the value of almost more than $200 million. Okay, so we want to increase the GDP rate also for Uganda to make the manufacturing locally and by made in Uganda products. So for that, as a KCCA and all other relevant ministers, we want support to do that.
Sorry to cut you short. He's mentioned about Burundi and Rwanda. What we have in Burundi and Rwanda are basically more like distribution points. Uganda is the only one with a manufacturing plant. Yes, the others, there is no manufacturing plant. That means even when we manufacture here, the other one will be distribution points. We are going to export. And everything, exactly. And everything we export has to have made in Uganda because we want to promote our own country. Then what we are doing also, we're using the latest technology compared to what they are bringing for us in the market. Why he's been here 10 years, he's been doing research on how we can go about this. And why KCCA, madam, we don't want to work for you, we want to work with you. We want to be part of your legacy. You get what saves you all this whole, because according to his research, most of the streetlights we have here, mostly by UNRWA, are imported.
Yes.
And maintenance becomes expensive because when it comes to maintenance, that means you have to pay those people again to come here. But for us, it will just be the team is here, all the technicians are on ground. So whatever we supply, we include maintaining it for as long as it can. And then also we give a better life compared to what the other people give, because we can easily replace from our factory and change what has gone on.
Empower them in the institution level, from the institution level, as well as we are going to hire when our phases are increasing. As my colleague told you, this is only phase 1 which we are doing like 10%. By August, we want to increase more capacity to do the different type of variety of the products.
48.
Yes, around 48 to 50. This is which is a phase 1 only. As phase 2, as UIA and the government of Uganda, if we support, actually we want to make our own plant, including to make the poles. These GI poles we want to make locally here. For now, as this setup we are able to make it. So setup is too small. We need almost twice on this place.
So your ask is for government assist you to build
to give the land.
If they give us land, we're looking at over 10 acres. The building we shall do. If you look at our office structure, it's more valuable. The moment we get space and we construct a bigger factory, all this will just be carried and rearranged somewhere. And that means that we shall increase employment. Okay. That means we shall increase on the employment and also on our production, because we are not only looking at usage in Uganda. Like we say, we've set up showrooms everywhere. We want to do exportation, but we're exporting as Ugandans.
As made in Uganda.
So import substitution, export promotion.
Exactly, import substitution. That is the thing actually. We need the government support.
No, the president, I think, is in support of that.
Yeah.
No mistakes about it. You have Kisanja here, you have
Exactly, that is only now. That is all I need the support. So then I can give you more thing to the community.
Other products.
I think now, I think you allow Kisanja now to speak.
Because of the time,
And then
The Ugandans, I'm really so humbled for having met our brothers, the team of Zenome Lighting. This is in response to His Excellency's call, His Excellency's appeal to really manufacture products from Uganda. Recently, you saw when the President was meeting the traders, he was telling them to buy products that are made from Uganda, irrespective of who makes them. Let it be Ugandan, Indian, Chinese, as long as the factory is in Uganda, traders should come and buy. These people, Zenome people, are employing our young people, boys and girls, aged people, and they are contributing to the economy of this country. We are here with our senior minister, and I know that their challenges, what they want from government, are going to be met. And really, we have Ugandans, these things are possible. Products can be made from Uganda. We've toured the factory, and this is just 10%. That means we shall find in phase 6 or 10, these people will employ over 1,000 young people. So please support them. Government should support them. We are going to support them as government. The President is going to support them. But mainly, you, the consumers, buy and buy made in Uganda. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Zenome, because I did not expect this, but I should appreciate whatever I've seen here. And I thank you for this great work. May God reward you more and more, so that you assist our ghetto boys and other students, because in Uganda people have gone to school but they don't have jobs. So by creating these jobs, it's great. And I want to assure you that we should talk to the president about this. We have a minister for investment who should also be in the know about what is taking place here. And if you look around, we have our ghetto boys whom we treat just there and then, and they are doing some works like this, but they don't have the technology. And I think they need to come here and gain more technology here, get more experience, and train them on the job. Because for us to put them in 3 months, I think. But at least after, when they come here, they will gain more experience and they will work with you or with any other person. And as a minister for Kampala, I should appreciate this, because you are doing this on behalf of my government. Others, President always talks about investors. Please assist my investors. I'm here to assist you. And I will assist you. And I will talk to the Minister of Investment that I met you and the Minister for Science and Technology that I came here and I visited this factory. Eventually, we can even invite the President to come and open it up.
In that case, there is a plan actually.
Yes, because he doesn't know also what you are doing, because it's very rare. You find it in you can avoid this factory, but at least we are seeing it, and we should explain this to him that we saw this and we launched it. So I think me as a minister for Kampala and your assistant, because I've witnessed the boys who are working here are Ugandans, and they are not foreigners. Some people have factories with only foreigners, but at least this one is, we were working with our Ugandan boys, and like, not Senegal. But and the darkness in Kampala. Most of accidents happen in Kampala because of the light. So since we are also putting up the street lights and other things, and solar lights, I would support you in that. Not buying from outside. If you could hear the president's speech, he's talked about buying in Uganda. He encouraged us to buy in Uganda. So we should advertise this, should talk about it, should tell all our people to buy our products made in Uganda, because they are long lasting and made, and we have to support you. Others taking money outside, then you come and pay in-freeze and everything. This one, I think we don't have any problem with in-freeze.
Yeah, we don't know.
We don't have any problem. So I think we should support you.
Thank you.
What I need to do is to shout out the president. And I think you can give us a document concerning this proposal and see how we can assist you as Minister for Kampala Metropolitan Affairs about street lights, about the lights, and other things. And I'm so grateful and I thank you so much. I've been seeing these things, but I didn't know they are made here. And I think I've also been buying when I send someone to go and buy, I didn't know they were coming from here. But now I've seen where I should buy. About the land, government offered land for the investors. And previously they were paying money, but now they are not paying money. So I think we should put up a proposal, ask for that land. Now take that proposal to the president and tell him that you need land 10 acres, put up such a plant in Uganda. At no cost. I know they are free.
Yeah, free.
So they should not deceive you that giving you land, you're going to pay this and this. No. It's free land for all the investors in Uganda. Otherwise, I thank you and I wish you the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And I ask Kisanja to bring those girls here and boys to come and see this happen. And Brigadier General Dambina, he has to come here also and see what takes place.
Thank you.
Madam, before we go, there's something I've forgotten to pass by you. Most cases will be
It's like when it's dark.
It comes brighter. It comes brighter. The darker it gets, the brighter.
But because there is light here, you cannot see that it's lighting. So thank you very much. With KCCA, you can even mark it like this.
To prevent anyone from stealing.
From stealing.
They will not
They
steal.
cannot vandalize it because you know Kampala. They always remove them from the streets.
Yes.
So when we work with this team, they are going to put them up and repair them and maintain them at their own cost.
So today we were here at Zenome Technologies. My name is Baguma. I work with the Minister of Kampala at President's Office. We've come here today. The Minister has pledged that she will support the local content. She was very impressed that Ugandans can be able to build such technologies. As you know, Ministry of Kampala is supervising KCCA, and as you know, there's been an issue of street lighting. This company is able to manufacture street lighting now, and as of today, the Minister has said we're going to work with them and work with them so that they can implement and make Kampala bright again. You know, many of the time, many issues have happened and we look for outside. Now we're looking into Uganda, and we have brilliant youth that have come up with such a concept. They've been supported by some internationals, but I know the President is going to support them. The Ministry of Investment is going to be working hand in hand with the Minister of Kampala. I know Honorable Monica Musenera supports such initiatives as well. Kisanja, the private secretary of the President, has also been impressed, and I think this is going to be a very brilliant chapter that's going to be happening now. Myself, I was impressed, and I know some of the media outlets that have come here have been impressed. I urge Ugandans to support Ugandans, support Ugandan products. Buy Uganda, build Uganda. We need to build our country. Once we build our country, we will not be struggling. Once we work with one another, we will not be struggling. They want to export from here to East African region and then Africa at large. I am confident that they shall do so. We have seen their products, they've been superb, and I think we shall be working together. I thank you so much.
Kati bannayuganda mwenna abasuubuzi wamuzi wano Ntinda Industrial Park nga tuli ku Zenome Lighting Company nga bakola balubu zaffe nga bazikolera wano mu Uganda mu materials za Uganda, bakozesa bannayuganda era nga bagezaako okulaba nti baddamu omulanga gwa President Museveni ogw'okulaba nti tukolera ebintu wano tulekeraawo okubisuubula nga ssente zaffe tuzitwala ebweru. Tubaddewo ne Minisita Hajjat Minsa Kabanda, tuli wano okulaba nti tubakakasa nti buli kimu kisoboka okukolebwa wano mugula ebintu bya bannayuganda. Mwenna abasuubuzi abali eyo nga mbadde musuubula bulbs okuva ebweru, mujje wano Ntinda mulabe nga mugula Zenome bulbs. Balina street lightings ez'omu mayumba ate energy savers. You spend very little money when you are using Zenome bulbs. Buy Uganda, build Uganda, made in Uganda.
The labeling and everything is
here, making bulbs that have been being imported. Everything is made in Uganda. This is the President's goal.
We are going to show
Uganda to build Uganda.
So how is the market?
Market, madam, actually very good actually.
Very good.
Exactly. Because you know what we are giving the quality product.